Welcome to the Paywise Employer Portal. This is a walkthrough of our Employer Portal, where we'll guide you through navigating the portal and using its key features. Once you've activated your employer login and signed in, you'll be directed to the employer homepage, where we'll begin our tour. You can access the portal in two ways. You'll receive a payroll deduction advice or PDA notification email. Click the hyperlink in the email to go directly to the employer portal, or you can visit paywise.com.au and select Employer Login. Once logged in, you'll land on the employer homepage. On the right is the summary section, which displays brief information about your company. Some of these items can be updated. Located at the bottom right is the Popular Benefits section, which shows the benefits offered through Paywise, along with their codes, descriptions, and the number of employees currently packaging each benefit. On the left, you will see a pie chart showing the percentage of employees currently salary packaging with Paywise versus those not yet packaging. The Details page allows you to view and update your company details, including employee count and head office information. Remember to click Save after making changes. You can also enter or update your organization's bank account details. For an added layer of security and convenience, this information is stored safely within the portal, eliminating the need to request or share these details via email at a later stage. The Messages section will display important system notifications, including PDA availability, which is the same notification as the email alert you will have received, and any updates made to your employer banking details. The PDAs page allows you to view and manage your payroll deduction advices, or PDAs. Locate the PDA you wish to review and click Edit to view the detailed deduction breakdown or make any necessary adjustments. On this page, you may see different status of PDAs. These include Pending, when the PDA is first available; Confirmed, after you confirm and submit the PDA; and Allocated, after funds have been allocated to employees' accounts. You can download the PDA file via PDF, Excel, or CSV format using the download arrows. Within the PDA, you'll notice three different status indicators. Status A, Adjustment. This indicates that a change has been made to the deduction amount. Status N, New. This refers to new deductions for employees who have recently joined Paywise. Blank status indicates no change. That is, the deduction remains the same as the previous pay period. To review and edit deductions, click the Edit button on the PDA icon to view the deductions for each employee currently salary packaging. This page provides the following information: employees' salary packaging details, pre-tax and post-tax deductions, FBT amounts to be retained by payroll, and total amount to be remitted to Paywise. To view a breakdown for a specific employee, click their Paywise number on the left side of the deduction page. A pop-up will display the breakdown for that employee's deductions. If you need to edit a deduction amount after payroll has processed the deduction, double-click the pre-tax deduction amount to edit it, input the actual amount deducted from the employee's pay, and then hit Save. Please note the following. For general pre-tax deductions, use the pre-tax O field. For additional superannuation contributions, if offered as a benefit through Paywise, use the pre-tax S field. And for any deductions made from the employee's net pay, after tax, use the post-tax field. If you need to make further changes after the initial update, click Reset, then double-click on the deduction to edit, and click Save again. We encourage employers to use the Notes section at the bottom of the page to provide any specific messages or explanations about deduction changes for individual employees. For example, if there's an employee currently on maternity leave or unpaid leave, you can inform us using the Notes section. Essentially, this is where you can outline any action items for us for the next pay period. Click Save Notes, and a confirmation message will appear once saved successfully. Once you've reviewed and updated all deductions, ensure the total amount matches what you are remitting to Paywise. Then click Confirm and Submit. This confirms that payroll deductions have been reviewed and approved, and allows Paywise to allocate funds accordingly. A confirmation message will appear once submitted successfully, and the PDA status will change from pending to confirmed. Please note that once you click Confirm and Submit, no further modifications or changes can be made to the PDA. If you encounter any issues, please contact our Payments and Payroll team. The Members tab allows you to view detailed employee information. Click the person icon next to an employee's name to view personal details, account balance, and fringe benefits tax cap usage. To access GST and FBT reports, select the Reports tab. GST reports are available on the second business day of each month. FBT reports are available by the 30th of April each year. You'll receive an email when each report becomes available, and they can be downloaded via the down arrow icon. For other functions, go to Settings in the top right corner. If you manage multiple entities, you can switch employers using the drop-down. You can also use the Settings menu to change your password. If you have any questions or need further assistance on the Employer Portal, our Payments and Payroll team is here to help. You can reach us via phone on 1300 138 441 or by email at pda@paywise.com.au. Alternatively, feel free to contact your appointed account manager directly. They'll be happy to assist you.